It's not easy running a small building firm. Unlike the larger building firms and property developers that have whole departments project managing, purchasing, and managing the finances, one-man bands and owners of smaller businesses with, say, 2, 3, or 4 employees have to do virtually everything themselves. Yet it's these small firms that make up a huge chunk of the construction industry here in the UK. It's these businesses building extensions, loft conversions, and housing developments that have a crucial role to play in the UK economy. So, this podcast, aptly named Running a Small Building Firm, is here to support or maybe even represent that overlooked group. We're going to discuss finances, marketing, project management, building regs, health and safety, mental health, winning new businesses, and much more. I and other colleagues will be hosting the podcast to offer advice on certain topics and chat to different guests. So if you're a building firm owner, a future owner, a manager, an estimator, an interested party, or maybe the other half to someone in the trade, you're very welcome. I hope you'll join us for our first and future podcasts.